Before the muscle car wars exploded in the late 60s, Plymouth was already building something bold, powerful, and impossible to ignore. This is the 1961 Plymouth Fury. Aggressive front-end styling and sharp body lines, the 61 Fury looks straight out of the space age. Under Chrysler's legendary styling chief, Virgil Exner, this car was designed to turn heads everywhere it went. The slanted headlights, wide stance, and for the first time, no tailfins. Plymouth eliminated fins for 61, giving the Fury a personality all its own. Love it or hate it, there was nothing subtle about the 61 Plymouth. Under the hood, buyers could order powerful V8s, including the legendary 383 and the massive 413 cubic inch V8. With the optional cross-ram induction setup feeding dual 4-barrel carburetors, these cars had real street power. Nearly a decade before Plymouth's own Roadrunner became a legend. Plymouth dominated NASCAR competition in the early 60s, proving that Mopar engineering could run with the best of them. With that kind of pedigree and style, the Fury was a proud representative of this heritage. Radical styling, raw V8 power, the 61 Fury might just be the wildest car Plymouth ever built. It stands as one of the boldest American cars in history. The 61 Fury wasn't trying to fit in. It was built to shock the streets, and 60 years later, it still does. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out one of these other videos. We'll see you back real soon. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'm your host, Dave. Peace, and keep the classics alive.